Welcome law aspirants. Knowing about the university is as important as preparing for the entrance test. You may think, why should we know about the university before clearing the law entrance exam of that particular law school? Even many avoid this strategy of knowing about the university. But I would actually prescribe and suggest to know about the university for two reasons. The number one is the source of motivation it provides for your very productive way of preparation towards the law school for the entrance test. And the second one, and even it's a very good strategy to make you more aware of the destination college or the university you wish to study your 5-year law journey in the future. And in such a way, we are going to see about the most wanted law school in Maharashtra cell entrance test, which is Government Law College Mumbai, is what we are going to see in today's video. Let's dive into the topic. Why should you consider GLC, Government Law College Mumbai, for your legal journey? Before getting to know about the college, you must analyze it in a 360-degree manner. Both you must verify the pros as well as the cons, and you must analyze whether this will be a okay and a perfect destination for us. The first point is the advantage is location. Location, it's the legal and corporate hub of India. That's Mumbai. And it's actually only 650 meter near to Bombay High Court, and it's surrounded by many top tier corporate law firms. And the gateway of India, which is the icon of Mumbai, is just 2 kilometers from the location of that college, and it's actually opposite to the major location of Mumbai, Churchgate railway station. These are the locational advantages of Government Law College Mumbai. And the next one is the very important one, affordability. The fees is around just something around 5,800 to 6,000 for the whole 5 years. For totally there would be only 30,000 your annum budget would be. And the next one is oldest law college in Asia. The origin year of this college is 1855, and this is the oldest law college in not India level, it's Asia. So you may actually be aware that the many legal advocates of Asian continent would be from this law college. And the next one is experienced faculty. The faculties are actually from many top tier alumni bases, and even the Bombay High Court judges and Supreme Court judges would be taking classes as a faculty in this college. And you can make note of the experienced faculty by looking at the alumni base. Ambedkar, who is the drafting committee chairman of our constitution. The next one is Kania, who is the first Chief Justice of India of our country. And the third one is Nani Palkiwala, who is tax law advisor of International Monetary Fund. And he is also the major landmark case judge of that bench, Keshavananda Bharati case. Know about this case would be majorly knowing about who is Nani Palkiwala. And the last but not the least point, networking. Networking is very much important for a student in a law stream. And this college equates a very good platform for the purpose of networking, because the just 10% students are from other Maharashtra state students. So you must have a very good competitive level to stay in that 10% seat, and the students from all over India would be very much competitive for the 10% seat. And so that studying with them and making your career paths with them would make you more productive while working with them. So this college creates a very good platform for this purpose. The next one is advantages of running internship. If you come across Government Law College Mumbai, the running internship is very famous for that college. As the classes are from 8 to 12 p.m., many students do their job after the 12 p.m. Who uses their time effectively are the best student and the best legal interner after the college career program of 5 years. And the advantages of this running internship. You may ask, whatever college we study, we can do running internship, but what specialty is in GLC Mumbai? You may ask. The major reasons are its prime location. It's surrounded by many corporate law firms, and it's even very much close to Bombay High Court, it creates a gentle and a strong platform for student pursuing in judiciary field and the corporate field. The next one is brand value. The brand value of the Government Law College Mumbai is very much strong and very much named recognition for it. So it's also a very good thing for getting internship easily in top tier law firms. And the next one is opportunities around. The opportunities around the location is actually pushing you towards that location. As I told, the quality networkings and surrounded by productive people would make you generate more stronger to the next level. The next one, CV building. After your 5-year law course, whatever things you've done apart from the 5-year law legal studies set you apart from the other law students. And if you are doing running internship, automatically your CV, curriculum vitae, would be best compared to other law school students. Work-life study balance skill. This skill is very much important, and if you are doing running internship, you are working side by you are working on your life and studying in the college. And this skill is developed in the 5-year journey of your law school. And it's a very good skill for your post law school journey. And the next one is communication skill, which is very much important for any student in legal stream. Then, as we already see, quality networking with legal interns. In your 5-year law journey, you would be working with many people, many companies, and many students. And working with a lot of networking people would actually boost your contacts in multi-level level. And after the 5 years, some law school students would having zero contact except their college friends, but you would be having a top tier networking strongness. So this is also a very good point. And the 6th point is 5 years of experience as legal working persons. As I told, if you are doing 5 years internship, you are doing the internship for 10 semesters, and therefore the experience you as a legal working person. Therefore, a GLC student is equal to 5 years of experienced legal working person. What means the GLC student who is working for 5 years as a running intern person is actually equal to 5 years experienced working legal person. So this is very much big advantage for you after the getting your law school journey, which pushes you one step ahead of the other law students of our country. This is a very good advantage studying in this university. The next one, reasons to not consider GLC for your legal journey. When you are analyzing about a college, you must analyze in a 360-degree manner, as I said, both pros as well as cons, and whether it is adaptable to our perfect life. And the reason to not consider are low diversity in student body due to strong reservation. As you may know, the student reservation for MH-CET colleges, that is, if there are 100 students in that college, 85% seats are reserved for Maharashtra state students. It's not general category for Maharashtra state students, it's reserved for Maharashtra state domiciled students. And only 10% seats are reserved for other Maharashtra state students, and 5% are given for international students. So it's highly competitive and highly reserved for Maharashtra domiciled students. So the diversity level would be not compared to other law schools would be as much diverse, because some law schools would be covered by the students of all over the country, but this law school is not as diverse compared to other ones. And limited campus life, as there is no hostel facilities in that law school, and the infrastructure is not as much developed to the current date of 2025. As we have already discussed, it's the oldest law college in Asia. They have not updated as much to 2025. And low faculty interaction. Due to the top class faculty, due to their top class faculties, they would be more unapproachable than compared to other law schools or private law schools who are more engaging with many teachers. And the another point is large batches. Since a classroom is of 60 students, the large batches make it somewhat unapproachable to students and teacher interaction. The next one is opportunities while studying at GLC. As a student planning for a college, you must not only see about the career options after studying. While studying, is a game changer for your career life with development of many skills and knowledge. And this college makes you developed in academic purpose of moot courts, MU and Modern United Nation and ADRs. And other than that, you'd be learning many skills by participating in clubs and organizing events. These develop your skill of organizing, skill of many events, and here also a very important skill develops, that is, if they push you continuously into managing skills, you may automatically develop a skill of managing your work, your life and your studies. And this skill is developed again in this particular purpose. And as we already see, networking with quality students and forming very good community, and quality students networking would further help you in building a very good startups. And for this purpose, this college creates a very good platform. And the next one is, some students have a stint towards doing legal aid initiatives by joining any NGOs or creating any NGOs. And this college creates a very good platform to joining many NGOs organized by the law school, Government Law College and many other. And the last one is CV building. As we already discussed, CV building is a very good thing according to this college, and 5 years of experience in legal field by doing running internship, as we already discussed. Career prospects with GLC tag. As students, many students would be thinking of this, and the career prospect with GLC tag is the first one, judiciary. As you are doing more internship, it's actually giving you a strong experience in the legal field, and the judiciary is a very good thing for you in the legal field. And next, corporate legal advisor, which is also known as corporate placement. And this college provides a very good platform for corporate legal advisor, as the college is surrounded by many top tier corporate firms. And the next one is government legal department, which consists of bank, railways and UPSC. And even many more departments of government running are having legal departments and require legal degree holder to do job for them. And the next one is legal services, which is NGOs. As I told, some student have stint to do legal services by either creating one NGO or joining other NGO to do help for the vulnerable peoples. And the fifth one is startups with strong networking, quality students. And this is followed by some people, the research writing skill by writing in editorials, research writing papers, magazines and etc. And the last one, but not the least, teaching academic. As many students have a stint to teach to other students by joining as a lecturer in university or a teacher in the school, or providing any knowledge by as a service. Now let's see the course provided by GLC Mumbai. And this course is actually the rarest course available in India. And this course, one of the top law schools providing this course is GLC Mumbai. And the full form of this course is Bachelor of Legal Science LLB, which is a 5-year law course provided by this university, only 5-year LLB law course. And the total number of seats available is 240. And 180 is government funded, which is somewhat cheaper as compared to self-finance, which is available of 60 seats. As we analyze about the GLC Mumbai, the law school we have seen in 360-degree view, by as a student looking for a university must view it at 360-degree, looking at the pros as well as the cons, and finally you must check whether this university applies to our life and career path. And with this information, in the next video, let's discuss about what is MH-CET, Maharashtra Cell Entrance Test, and the plan to how to crack it. Just keep this quote in the mind: opportunities don't happen, just create them. You must make a very much hard work and smart work in the right direction of our entrance exam syllabus and make it clear to this exam. And another thing, just don't keep MH-CET as your experience. While studying, you must make it as a destination, and after getting your offer letter, just think of plan C to go on with a still more top law entrance exam to clear it. And until then, stay tuned for the what is MH-CET and how to crack it. Thank you.